Yes, yes. The night father still there here. Nothing they happen. You know, we have changed everything the different way. We get sometimes, you know, before we are get our former set. Now we are coming and get a new house and everything, new energy, new. When I just watch the late night show, you don't pick go on that level. And some people you don't enter that level. Now see comedy, now see music, every small time. Many crazy also they enter this show. Just they watch. Nothing they happen. As it be like this, they say, when Shoki come out, everybody worry. And one particular guy, and I can launch the whole thing. Ladies and gentlemen, give me better pleasure inside my heart to bring my first guest for the night. And this particular guy go by the name Lil Cash. Hey! Hey! We go do that Shoki thing, no?
No, you never hear Shakiti Bobo.
The new one. The new one. I move face like this. So, how you go do it now?
Zolo. Last card. Man, teach you.
Teach me. Hey. So, something at the old one now. Something at the old one now. Well, finish now, Shoki now. I
will finish you now, Matthew.
Hey, Jackson, Jackson, hey,
I will finish you. My man, what's problem? Have fun.
Yes, so, Lil Cash, welcome to the late night show.
Thanks, man.
Correct. Hi, every now.
And cheers,
man. You fresh, oh.
Thanks,
you fresh in your own way. You understand?
I did try.
You did try, I mean. Why BNL? Make I not even start in a normal P and everything. Is it the way they look us? Come like they jealous. I bet you're healer.
What's popping, my man? But big ups, man. He's been showing a lot of love.
Yes,
He's been showing love. God bless you.
So you don't happy now. I be once you drink the drink. But any which way. Lil Cash, welcome.
Thanks,
welcome.
Man.
How the whole level done be since after you drop the Shoki to now? Don't kind of go on that level now. How the whole joint done they be for you now?
Man, it's been a success story all through.
Success story all through.
From where I was coming from to where I am right now, and to where I am still going. The future of bride's going, you understand? So.
Okay. So now I summary now in that little way. But before that time, before Shoki, what thing be they happen, and who be Lil Cash before Shoki ever bust out?
Okay, make I talk say before YBNL came through.
Okay.
I just be a normal boy now, also like you grab. Then it wasn't, our song no dey even make am to radio. I mean, radio na like, make I go also, so this radio people go fit play my song.
Yes.
It was more of make I been go Unilag, go disco, go do rap battle.
Okay.
There was this open mic show I used to go every Thursday.
Now, Pitch, no, they forget to.
You get this open mic show I go every Thursday, you know. So it was more of like open mic show, rap battle and all those things. I go here, I rap, I go there, I rap. Before I can't start to record. Even some of the songs where I've been recorded that time, not even to come out like that, because I've been no get platform.
Yes.
But then YBNL came through,
that part, before most of your jump after the YBNL came through, you understand? Because most times I like to tell people, say, something don't just happen by mistake.
Yeah.
You get something happen the way YBNL come through. You understand? Okay. So the process between where you be the regular guy, where just hustle the whole music thing, to when YBNL can't enter, or Lamidi and Co, where they can't discover every. Waiting happen, how not say jam?
Okay, before that time, because Olamide na this kind of person, you say, him been they pay attention to a lot of upcoming artists.
Okay.
You go online, if you see this song, you download it. Yeah. So, he don't download one song where I be done day on before he was impressed. So, Victor is under my label too. So, he been see me rap battle for Unilag. He don't do some of those freestyle things what I've been doing, and he don't know me, he don't like me. So now he been and he now Olamide friend, you know. So he don't tell Olamide about that. There's this guy, and lyrically, I recorded that song before I've been enter YBNL. So that song, I like to call that song my breakthrough song.
Of course, everybody know how far now.
You grab. So now that song, Olamide here. Hey Victor, tell him say there's this guy Lil Cash, I may be hearing song lyrically. Now that one, Olamide himself here, I don't hear this song online. Okay. That boy, you know him. Okay, help me call him. That same day where I call him, that same day, he say, okay, let's do this.
Bam. As in just like that.
Then it started. Then
lyrically. Is it been lyrical did it for them now?
Yeah.
Just jam. Make we just let them know that particular song will bring a breakthrough. Because that means you don't tight since that time. Not be saying as you can't enter YBN, they're going to do studio things for you.
My brother really tried.
You understand? Because some people don't know. Some people they say that just based on the platform, then can't make the person. You understand? But we'll go to talk about that one.
Listen, I said I'm lyrically mad,
Hey.
lyrically outside,
Hey.
lyrically hell.
I bleach you like I lyrically was scary gun. I put them in hard growth. Eba teaching of find your way. Eba fairy jarambo. Lyrically I bust their head. Lyrics don't put finger. Lyrically I make them more violo show on finger. Lyrically I big guy. Big like anti-causes booze. He go really me. You come, you better reach. Lyrically I fear no. Lyrically sakaba. Never try me lyrically. I'm all sugar yakata. Lyrically sheruba. In your madam gagu. Lyrically dawajo. Lyrically fagu. Lyrical. Lyrics me want me stick up. Lyrics were compatible be fataya tirisika. Lyrically I don't die. And you're with me Houston. Lyrically Lucose. Energy me boosting. Lyrically my name is Get. Lyrically I nowhere. Lyrically you don't have me. Lyrically I go reach there. Lyrically I grab to my. Lyrically I know fear. Lyrically my name is Get. So if you jamming for your street or club, you jamming for your egg. You catch me in your grave or mom, you catch me in your you walk on the bubble from your ready man. You see me man, you know? You see me man, you jamming for your street or club, you jamming for your area. Catch me in your grave or mom, you catch me in your sister. You walk on the bubble from your ready man, you go sister. If you see me man, you know? If you see me man,
Alright, easy. It don't do. Lil Kesh, beautiful song.
Thanks, man.
This particular track like this now, I can attract Olamide to come your way.
Yeah.
Now, I talked something just now before we play that song. Say, you don't tight like this. You understand? Easy bit. I don't know you get tight talk. You don't tight already like this before YBN can come. That means they discovered there's something with inside you.
Sure.
This one now, so everybody with outside the way they hustle music now. You understand? Because you guys get something where they go discover.
I did tell you.
Some people want to make them discover them, but nothing to discover for the thing. Not everybody when they sing.
You're blank.
Some people that they sing, what do you do for a living? They sing. I don't think discover that kind of thing. You understand? But nice one, lyrically. Very, very deep thing. I mean, I know even start to go into lyrics now. But from there now, YBN they can discover.
Yeah.
They can't fall into the whole thing. And then, so how Shoki can't take come now? See that now viral video, now spread the whole thing. And how the Wakati be? Make a
it was over time.
Okay.
It was over time. Then it started with the song. I've been recording the song. That song was like, I think the third or fourth song I recorded in our studio when I came into the YBNL family.
Okay.
So now so as I've been hearing, Olamide been there parlor, you grab, I've been there inside studio, they record. As you just hear the beat, yes, say person they record from inside studio. You just like, what kind of that studio? Hear this song, you say, finish this song. We finish the song, we drop them like the next day, you know.
So, just like the next day?
The next day, that same day, I've been just go one kind of area like that, do viral video. That time I wasn't even looking as big as I am.
Of course.
I just, because Shoki is even more than a year now, you know.
Of course not.
It's more than a year and it's still banging. It's that song I still go to shows and you grab. So it was so it been be. I record the song, I drop I do viral video. Then a lot of people started picking it up. There were controversies about the song and all that. So, but now as the song take big,
song all blew, boom, everywhere. Jockey.
Man, it was so big that at a point I was scared if I would be able to recover from that song.
From the song, because
like, can I do another song that can be as big as that?
Exactly.
Because people were not even paying attention to Lil Kesh, they were paying attention to Shoki.
True.
But thank God, Basic came through.
Yeah, of course. Yes. But Shoki itself, people don't tell me different meaning of the word Shoki. You understand? What's it mean, this Shoki?
Bros, now dance now.
Now dance.
Now dance now.
Okay, so Shoki is a
no,
dance.
No, start our own controversy for here. You grab Shoki na dance.
But the discovery of the Shoki, say you just sit down and just wake up, say, Shoki.
Okay, they talk about the song or Shoki on its own.
The Shoki dance
the recording, that one a vibe, you know. We go enter studio, that one sure. We hear beat, we vibe, we record the song.
Okay, now they talk about the dance.
Shoki basically, the street inspired Shoki.
The street itself. Streets, okay.
So I give credit to the street. Bariga, Gege, everybody, they inspired Shoki.
Now, you get what I did likes way Olamide and the likes of Olamide, Reminisce, and so many of them they do, you know. I don't think I'm before on top of this show, even when Victor they come here, say man, look, Raz now come be like a new class. You understand? You guys, they package Raz.
Go
You understand?
Yeah.
So charisma and everything. Even you were not Raz before, you want to claim Razness.
Still Raz.
And they crazy, so not the shut up, peace.
But see the front street now, you understand?
All right, as it be like this now, we'll quickly do one small break, you understand? And for those of you now, we get any gist on top, our very guy in the building, Lil Cash. Just want to go our Twitter handle, at W Late Night Show. Reach there, just knock any for there, okay? Lil Cash is in the building. We know you go anywhere, we come back now. After this particular break, the Night Father or Dollar still there. We not go anywhere, we come back. Easy, huh? Very, very stupid thing. No, don't worry. This show, Obi Martins, producer of every. All right, so Lil Cash still in the building. Now, from Shoki, we will just thank God for what Shoki do. You understand? But now, the future. Things don't they come up now. There's a new track now don't they carry go up and down now and all that. The video of that particular one I will just see before you enter inside the building. BC.
Yeah, BC.
Now, for this one now, when we'll see album from Lil Cash?
Hopefully by the grace of God, towards the end of this year.
Towards the end of this year? Yeah. Man, that means, like we talked earlier, enough album they bust out this year. That means the end of this year, not be joke.
Album with a float.
I seen album back to back, album launch, album back to back like this. And that means you go now musical year be that. Very musical year. But what in the future will be like now for Lil Cash? What would they expect, aside from your album now, onto every what would they expect from you?
But I leave everything to God. Okay. My own is to do my own, make God do his own, yeah. Okay. So I know I been know the things what I'm supposed to do now. So what I have to do now basically is keep working.
Okay.
So that's what I'm doing basically.
Record things and continue from there.
I'm recording. I've started recording already.
Okay.
I record every week.
All right.
Despite work, interview shows and all that, I still record every week.
Okay. Because as it be like this now, people not to know. Say many artists they work. You know, if you say song just come out. You don't say now work. Some they sleep for night, so heavy work, not serious work. But Lil Cash. Quickly, make we just even ask you this particular question like this, onto education P. Now, school, you don't finish with every year before school.
I pray, we're still there.
You still decide the whole level.
Still there, it's not easy.
Education for you and music, how the balancing don't they be?
It's not an easy thing, Baba. But we try balance them. They try balance them, but it's not easy. It is a lot. I mean, apart to even concentrate, it takes a lot to concentrate, because I'm always running from one place to another. I go finish one show right now. Maybe I can get one interview that same day or something. Although I still try to plan my schedule well, and I kind of have a relationship with people in school, with students and lecturers too. So there are days I come through and there are days I try and cover up for things I miss, So as I take juggle both, but no easy at all.
But no easy, but either way, stay just made for school, because we still believe you. You understand? Now to your female fan, With that video just now, I see the smile for your face. Now very wicked smile. That's it. Be you understand? Now we are managing them smile. You understand? What can we do? How you and your female fans, how you did the handle it? Because we see some big things just now. Lil Cash. Your name is Lil Cash. For crying out loud, you can't carry big cash things. What's wrong to you? How you and the female fans things until they be I won't speak English just now, but how don't they handle them so far?
But they handle them normal now.
What's it be normal? What's it be normal?
Like normal now. Fans. They are all fans. My male fans, my female fans. I love my female fans. Big ups to my male fans too.
Okay.
So I love them all.
Okay, so male fans, female fans. The young man, I love you very, very much. You understand? So as it be like this, now they ask any question because they ask question. You understand? Lil Cash. Are you sure you are not come and give somebody belly for outside? So
I know.
You are not going to come and give a belly for the future.
No.
Try do your best possible. Say Make I not talk past like that. You understand?
Right, yeah.
So Lil Cash, thank you very much. You follow us down top of the show today.
Thanks
you
for
get,
having me,
but use your own mouth, to talk to your fans when they watch you like this. Just any word we want to give them, those ones with day school self, who they try juggle music and school, and those ones self who they hustle. Young guys like you, and even generally the youths of Nigeria. I mean, just follow and talk small.
All right, so to the young kids out there. Young gains out there, you guys should make na they do it na they do now. Understand? Don't mind me English these days. But on the real, yeah, to the young gains out there, make na they do it na they do. Put God first, cause that's what I do. You grab, then hard work, believe. Because bros, I mean they believe. The truth be say, even when I dey hustle back then, yeah. I know say no easy. I never sure of where they go or where I go reach. But at the back of my mind, yeah, even they say it go happen. I don't know how, but it just dey. And when it happen, nobody say today I was very happy, but I know today surprise. So
because you be expecting,
you grab because I was expecting it. So make na they do it and they do. Put God first and also, bros. And it's not all about hard work. It's more of smart work because that's what works for me. It's more
if you not learn anything today, learn that last statement. It's not all about hard work, but about smart work. You understand? But
so,
most
and to my fans out there, you guys are showing love. God bless you guys.
Okay, correct. Finally now, this one is a special question for my producer. You see, make I ask you now, what will be the difference between hard work and working hard?
Hard work and working hard.
Yes.
Bro, it's not the same thing, man.
Not
just the English difference.
Not the English.
Not the same thing.
Hard work and, okay. But any which way, I don't say they don't get them already. Lil Cash, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Any moment from now, your name will still change from Lil Cash to just Cash.
Nah.
You go see big pass the
Lil Cash
now.
is the brand. No, it is more than a name now. Now brand, so now Lil Cash.
Because
if I go change them to Cash now, my fans feel vexed. And those ones who don't support Lil Cash from day one. If you continue to Cash, there's...
Okay, anyway, 5 years from now, we'll go know how the OT go take.
I know go change them.
All right. On top of the late night show, now we bet, Mona just know now. 5 years from now, we'll go know how far. All right, when they come back, I see the late night show. Lil Cash, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Lagos Carnival clips, make we for see how everything take happen for the carnival and every happen over the weekend. All right, so make we enjoy. They come back.
For Wazobia TV, and this one now Lagos Carnival. No time to say no time. In fact, no door. Make I go join these people. May we grab.
That's why they do like fish. Demonstration of swimming.
Bros, I won't go inside. Yeah?